Grandma, impersonate Austin Powers for me.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Grandma, give me your best evil laugh. Go.
My what?
Best evil laugh.
I don't always have a private chauffeur. But
I'm not your chauffeur. I'm your grandma, boy. What's wrong with you?
Look who's here.
Too. Doesn't the makeup look different?
Grandma.
I look hot.
At sushi with Grandma.
Is that chocolate on the outside of that? Is it?
Selfie.
Selfie. What is it? Selfie or selfie? Selfie or selfie?
Grandma, what is that called?
Beaches.
What?
Beaches, beaches.
What?
Beaches.
What did you do this weekend?
Went to a party.
With a turkey?
You don't know how to...
Sunday fun day with my grandma.
We in the bitch.
Okay.
Legacy.